Welcome back to Barnabas Gist. So as e stand right now for inside Rivers State, no be small thing dey go on between the Wike, Tinubu and his gang and the same Febra, which is the current governor of Rivers State, as Wike is fighting hard to become a Jagaban of Rivers State. My people, a lot of things are going on. I would like play the videos, make you follow up wetin dey happen for that area, because this fight wey dem wan start for there, if the start am e no go be good thing o for Nigeria and that if the start am, a lot of things go happen. So I go play the video make you hear wetin Asari Dokubopu talk o, wetin Tinubu talk, wetin all of them dey talk put for the matter. Just watch the video from beginning to end so that you go understand how e take dey happen. Stay tuned.
Nonsense. Listen, nonsense, rubbish. Tell me, who are the militants? Who is not a militant? Who is born as a militant? No, tell me the person that's born the day you were giving birth, they say you're a militant. Who is not a militant? Who cannot blow at the pipeline? Why do you arrogate this power to a certain group of people? It's just people are the only people who can blow pipeline. What nonsense is that? Who told the people cannot blow pipeline? Who told the people cannot blow pipeline? Who told the people cannot blow pipeline? Why do we arrogate powers to people? There's nothing like that. Two. Who is the one doing the contract of the pipeline? Who is the one doing the pipeline contract? The sovereign. It's not a Johnson. It's not a Tompolo. It's not Antita. They gave you now to do sovereign. You are the one collecting money, German. And they say Ijaw people are going to break pipeline. And somebody will hear that. That's crap. Look, the moment I hear that, to hell. How dare you threaten a country? How dare you? That which threat? It does not exist. It does not exist. These are political things planted by some people in government. Look, all of us know ourselves. All of us know ourselves. You make appointment of MD of NDC, they threaten, they blow pipeline. You make appointment here, they threaten, they blow pipeline. What kind of country are we in? As a sitting president, you threaten me that if you follow what the court said, I will blow up everywhere. Let the whole place be blown off. And the law has spoken. And all this, and let me tell you something. And people should have that right. It just does not constitute the majority of the Niger Delta. People must speak out the truth. Heaven will not fall. You only die once, not 2 times. It just does not constitute the majority of the Niger Delta. What nonsense every day you wake up? Ijaw will do this. In Akwa Ibom, Ijaw cannot be governor. In Delta, Ijaw is the minority of the minority. With all due respect to our late elder statesman, Edwin Clark, he's from Delta. He had never produced Ijaw man to be governor of Delta. He had never. The only place Ijaw man can solely be governor is in Bayelsa State. Not in Edo, not in Rivers, a minority of the minority. Out of our own benevolence, live and let live. I'm Martin Seluku. Gentlemen, we are working as a team. We are members of the same political family. Let's allow this to go this way. If it is by strength, it cannot be the Ogonis. It cannot be the EPF. It cannot be the Queries. It cannot. Every time you hear this, he just said this, he just didn't say this. What kind of system are we talking about? When people do something to bring everybody together, you appreciate it. In fact, when I brought this governor, they said no, it's not the real job. They said not the real job. If you are talking about his job, you should come to the cannibalists. Now how can you say if they want to give governor to a job, it should be a popo? You see the problem that we're in. And you close your eyes, you did it. All those who fought me, who said, no, we cannot accept this, are the ones parading themselves, hanging around him, taking his money.
Honorable Minister, you have your attention now.
Yes.
Okay. I'm sure, because I know how all of this started, I'm sure you are not just interested in winning the war. As the leader should also be interested in winning the battles and of course winning peace as well. If you listen to the way the Mr. President spoke yesterday, it seems as if the pathway to peace has been thrown into the leadership of that state. And between you and Dr. Sifuman, I see you as the leader. Would you do everything possible as the leader to pick up the government and draw up a roadmap, a pathway to peace?
Does he think I have a role to play? Has he ever called me?
I am putting it.
No, that's what I'm saying. The speaker and assembly members are not their children. You must have a relationship with them. I sit with them. We eat together. We drink together. We play together. They're not your boys. They're not your girls. They were elected, as you are also elected. Some of them, it was through the election that made you to win the election. So you must not treat them as if they're my boys. No, you don't do that. You don't do that. Legislature is a different arm of government. It's not an attachment to executive arm. So you must be careful. I see that I traveled my legislature. I do. As I'm traveling, as a Mr. Speaker, can I have 3, 4, 5 members to accompany me for this trip? It's a beautiful relationship. The president travels. He said, look, call me social senator. Call me social House of Representatives. I wanted to join me in my trip. You create relationship. It's not a master-servant thing. You cannot do it. If you have been doing it before, you succeeded, does not mean today you will succeed. And the world, you see, we are moving to a world that you cannot try it. And the problem the governor has today, those around him, who are milking him, they have milked the state. And the governor said it yesterday. I thought he should have said on his face, said the parties, that the money they have spent. No, I didn't spend that kind of money. No way. None of my lawyers told me you are going to pay this. You must have a good relationship with people. Goodwill pays a lot. And that's what paid for us. It's because we have good relationship with our lawyers. No lawyer said you must pay this, you must pay it. But I know what their own team spent. And they milked him. They are not telling him the truth. His lawyers bungled their case. And they don't want to tell the people. Yesterday, I heard that some people went to see Mr. President. Pandev is the worst organization anybody can rely on.
Why?
Against what is being said that there is no governance.
Like what Supreme Court said there's no government in River State. And what does that tell you? Government has collapsed in River State.
There is legitimate, purpose-driven governance in River State.
That be to God, the Supreme Court has made it very clear.
Our strength is in the supreme being. God has our back. Our back is not on anybody. It's God. It has gotten to a point where this state have decided to take their destiny by their hands. In as much as I don't subscribe to violence, when the time comes for us to take a decision, I will lead the cause for that decision.
Anarchy, how dare you say?
I'm not scared of anything. The worst that will happen is me to leave the office. It's not, it's our youth. Be strong. Don't be bottom. Be strong. I assure you, at the right time, you will get the instructions.
You're inviting anarchy.
And let me say it again. I'm not scared of anything.
I'm up, Senator.
The worst that will happen is me to leave the office. It's not. Am I leaving the earth? Is it going to stop me from existing?
The population of the Ijaw people in Kalabara and in Bonny was overwhelmed by inflow of Igbo and Ibibio influence. But more of Igbo. Why Kalabari was able to totally assimilate all others who came in contact with them. Bonny was not able to do so. Okrika was not able to do so. That's why you go to Ganama or Akaliama, these places, they are speaking Igbos. Ediabal is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abam. He's from Obom in Abang. From there, his family went to Bosi in Anambra State. Before they came to New Calabar, he's an Igbo man. I am Ediabali. Young priest, Oswald. Ediabali. My father, Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma. Elebike. Elebuke. Odikadibia. David Wells. Elebuke Wells. These are all Igbos. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. These people are Igbos. They're Igbos. So slave trade brought enormous wealth. And it's also brought some sort of destabilization. It destabilized the society. Because some people brought with them so many things.
My people, no be smart, as it they happen. Now we say move bring and come show. Now, but don't forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Don't forget to there for Balabajis. As they watch, make sure they share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it they happen.